All aboard to All Access.
Choo choo! Hi everybody, I'm Lauren, and of course here with Brianna.
Hey y'all.
And we are here for the November 2021 flip through, and we are so excited. Now, this issue of All Access is absolutely amazing, right, Brianna?
It is so great, so many fun things.
So we're gonna walk you through, show you some of the samples and some of the best parts of these collections. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and kick us off with Delicate Dancers, and look at this beautiful design here. Now, this is our watercolor technique featuring lovely and beautiful delicate ballet dancers. And with our watercolor confetti, you're just layering various colors of organza to create this just very stylish, beautiful dancer. Now, this design we went ahead and put on this bag, perfect for anybody to take to dance class. And we actually walk you through how to make this bag in one of our DIY kind of bonus tutorials. So this comes in your All Access as well. So not only are you going to get these wonderful designs of these dancers, but we show you how to make this entire project. All right, this one, I really love this one. Any dancer would be proud to carry this and show it off.
Well, as you are finalizing your holiday decorations, I'm sure at this point, we have a great collection called Hangin' for the Holidays. These are adorable little ornaments here that you actually use vinyl applique on top, so a clear vinyl applique with little balls of confetti behind that kind of look like a snow globe. You just won't break these if you drop them. These come in a few different versions here. You've got these that do have the little confetti, and then you've got some with just the plain clear vinyl applique if you don't want the confetti back there. So you can kind of customize these to whatever you like and finish up your decorations for the holidays.
So let me talk to you a little bit about Snacky Sacks. Look at these adorable zipper bags. Absolutely love them. Now, we call them snack bags because we actually use a clear piece of vinyl, so you have a window into your zipper bag. Now, if you have never made a zipper bag with us at Anita Goodesign, we add the zipper right in the hoop. It's gonna just blow your mind if you've never done that before, and if you have, you know how much fun these are. And because they're in the November release, great for the holiday season and for gifts for anybody. Great little ladybug here. We have, of course, a cute whale, and then a little toucan Sam over here too. So lots of great designs, little animal designs. You can, of course, use your fun fabric to make these look gorgeous. They're so hot. I'm dropping them over here. I can't even keep control of them.
One of my favorite quilting collections from this month is our All Aboard. Y'all, this is so cute. These are your favorite little animal friends from our other Animal Adventure and Anita's Playhouse collections. This time, they're going all aboard on the choo-choo train.
Choo-choo!
These are so fun. I can't wait to make one of these for my nephew. He loves trains. So these here feature beautiful appliques and embroideries, and these quilt blocks are all kind of done here with this landscape style, so you can mix and match them any way you want and put them in different orders. They don't have to just go in one way. So these fun little animals are taking their show on the road on the All Aboard collection.
All right, well, Brianna, did you bring your tissues with you? Are you ready?
I need my tissues for this one, y'all.
All right, so this is our large release for this month. It is called the Rainbow Bridge. And if you are unfamiliar with the Rainbow Bridge, it is a poem that was written that is dedicated to our fur babies, our pets, our animals that have passed. And what we have done is we've come out with a collection that you can create to dedicate to your past love fur baby or for somebody else. Now, it is a special edition. It is our large release, and what we have is beautiful rainbow blocks, different types of embroidery, featured animals on here too. This is one of my smaller samples that I've made, but let me go ahead and show you the very large quilt as well. Now, what we've done in here is we've made custom frames as well, so you can actually print out a picture of your pet or your animal, and you can add them and personalize it into the quilt. Now, we do have the poem as well. Our artist has interpreted the rainbow bridge poem, and so it is a little bit of her own, and it is just a beautiful, beautiful quilt in memory of our favorite animals. Now, of course, these blocks in this beautiful poem here can be used for any purpose at all, and then of course the stippling with our quilting blocks is included too. So this is everything that you can want. It comes in our mix and match sizing for you, but the Rainbow Bridge is just the collection that you need to have for sure. So, Brianna, you okay over there?
It makes me so sad to think about people losing their animals. Y'all know my cat is my best friend, and I just can't even imagine a world without him.
Oh boy. So as you can see, November is really just chock full of amazing projects, embroidery designs, and quilting collections. So if you are a current All Access member, you are going to receive all of these amazing collections this month.
If you're interested in learning more about All Access or signing up today, feel free to go to AnitaGooddesign.com and click All Access, or reach out to us via the phone or email us at customerexperience@anita-gooddesign.com.
All right, thank you so much for joining us for the November flip through. Make sure you find us again next month, because December, woo, 'tis the season.
It's a good one, y'all. Thanks so much.
Bye.